This is the beginning status, when all the safety pins are correctly inserted in the hooks and the release control unit. Remove all the safety pins from the hooks and the release control unit. To show the correct procedure of an offload release, lock the blue handle with the relevant chain ring. This will simulate the movement of the hydrostatic membrane when the water fills the hydrostatic interlock unit tube up. In this phase, the movement of the hydrostatic membrane, due to the affluence of the water, or in this case of the handle, will make the locking indicator go from green position to a red one. Pull the release lever with continuous movement and without brakes. The release procedure has been completed. To perform the reset procedure, operators must be 2 or more. Rotate each secondary arm or afterward and forward hooks. At this point, the release control unit operator will be able to push the lever to the closed position. Insert the hook's safety pin into the locking indicator's hole. Note: if the reset of the procedure is correctly performed, the spring pin will fit perfectly into the relevant slot, allowing the operators to turn the safety pin into the correct locking position. Insert the release control unit's safety pin into the release control unit's side hole and lock it with the relevant cotter pin. To show the procedure of an on-load release, we would have to bypass the hydrostatic interlock unit. Then, we would have to break the safety glass on the release control unit with a safety pin. Next, we would have to use the safety pin to move the release control unit locking indicator from green to red position. At this point, we would be able to proceed with the release maneuver.